am with Divine Elements of Design and Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. And I'm also a new mom, or a new-ish mom. My last baby is just a few weeks old, and I'm always looking for ideas and ways, or actually life hacks, to make my life a lot easier. You know, having to cook for myself and my family, sometimes that can be a daunting thing. And always trying to find new recipes and clean living is also something that I'm always trying to do. So I decided to look into some of those dinner subscription box services. Now, the difference between this and basically those pre-made meals that you can just buy from like someone locally is I don't want to buy a week's worth of the same meal that I have to put in the microwave. I'm more interested in different ingredients and fresh ingredients and actually cooking different meals. So I know a lot of times people say, well, that's not saving you time, but I think it will save time. So for the first part of this video, I'm actually going to just open up this. Now this came from HelloFresh, and I'll probably do a few more because I know there's a lot of different companies that have those meals. And it's so funny, how like the Facebook algorithm, if you go to a website and look for something, the Facebook spies will go, actually if you think of something, the Facebook spies will recommend so many different things. So after I went to the HelloFresh website, I got so many like different food subscription services. They were saying, oh, you can get a meal here for X amount of money, and this is like the best tasting meal, yada yada yada. So I'm not going to try every last one of them. I'm going to try this one, and then I'll also maybe try some more and see if it works. So I purchased this box, went online to the website. Now, I received a coupon code from someone where I was able to get like $20 or $10 off. So this first meal was not that expensive. I did purchase a meal for 4. Even though Kelsey doesn't eat a whole meal because she's only 3 years old. But who knows, maybe if it's really good, I'll just eat the rest of her plate. Don't tell her. But I think I do have a coupon code that they gave me that I can give to you all. So I will leave that in the comment section below. So if this is something that you're interested in, hey, give it a try. Okay, so actually I forgot to pre-open it like I normally do, but I will this time. Now, I ordered this online, and then I actually received, they said it was going to be a Thursday delivery, and I was surprised. I got it like really early. I think I got it around like 8 in the morning, so that was good, 8:30. I was a little nervous when they said you can receive it up to like 8:30 at night, and I'm like, no, I want to have this to be my Thursday meal for me and my family. I don't want to receive it 8 o'clock at night. Okay, so when you open it up, it says, hello delicious deals, and I guess this is just some coupons. I'm not going to go into all of this right now. Now, I think this is a meal that I actually purchased. This is a cheesy smothered mushroom chicken. So they give you this recipe card, which is really neat. So I'll probably just get a folder and put all these in. But it tells you all of the ingredients, and then also the instructions to make the meal on the back. And then the roasted pork tenderloin. So that's really good. So I am interested in that. So, this is something that if you like it and you want to just go out and buy your own ingredients, hey, that's great. But I was just trying to do something, a little different. Okay. So, all right. So this says cheesy smothered mushroom chicken. So it's a bag. And I'm assuming this has like basically everything in it. And then here's another bag. But it's still cold, This is a roasted pork tenderloin. Okay. And then this is like some little divider. Oh, this is the ice pack, and it's still ice, and it says recycle me. Cut a corner, empty non-toxic contents in the trash, recycle the plastic bag. Oh, it's really cold. Okay, it's cold. All right, so I'll just sit this right there. Okay, this is the boneless chicken breast. It's cold. It's not frozen, So that's fine. It's really, really cold, but it's not frozen, so I can actually cook this for today, which is my plan. If the other one is, okay, yes, defrost as well, but it's just really cold. So it looks like I have 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. So that's fine, and my fingers are really cold. I'm so sorry. Okay. And then, okay, so there are 2 of these. This is for the other meal. And see, I always thought, for some weird reason, I thought that they were going to send me the meals like one at a time, like send me today's meal today and then tomorrow's meal tomorrow. But, you know, hey. And this is defrosted as well. So what I'll probably do is I'll probably cook this tomorrow and then the chicken one today. And, okay, there's another ice pack. So, yeah, I guess you're just supposed to recycle the plastic bag and not the ice itself, whether it's dry, so whatever it is, but hey, okay. So I am going to do the chicken breast today, and then I'll do the pork tomorrow. So I'm going to sit this right there and move this to the side. And I'm just going to open up and see what we have in here. And then because it is 1:50 and I have to get the baby from school soon. Okay. I'm just trying to see if I want to cook it now or later. Okay. Alright, so we have some green onions. Some carrots. These are what the carrots look like. If you think they're fresh or whatever, that's what the carrots look like. Mushrooms. Monterey Jack cheese. Sour cream, which I really don't do. Some other white mushrooms. And actually, that's basically it. So there's a couple packs of sour cream, some more carrots and mushrooms. Let's see if I can show you what's all in the bag. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and prepare the meal, and then I'll come back and let you know how it works. So stay tuned. So overall, I give HelloFresh description box a thumbs up. The ingredients were very fresh and tasty, and also the instructions were very easy to follow. My family enjoyed this meal. So please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. If you would like a coupon code, click on the link below to receive, I want to say maybe $40 off your next meal. Thank you very much and have a divine day. Goodbye.